As you might have seen, there's a wide participation today, wider than it would have been for the in-person summer school. And this is very welcome. And it's actually nice and interesting to see how the group of people working and interested in extremes in water science is so large and so diverse. At the same time, we would like to make sure we introduce ourselves and get to know the applicants to the school a little better. So we'll go around with short introductions. As we instructed you by email, please, when I call your name, turn on your camera and microphone and briefly state your name, your affiliation, and your research interest, so that we can all understand a little better what's the mixture of attendees that we have. I will start giving the example, and with me the organizing committee. My name is Marco Marani. I'm at the University of Padua in Italy, and my core interest in this context is regards methods and applications for understanding and modeling extremes in rainfall, floods, storm surges, hurricanes, anything that in the Earth system basically exhibits extreme events. I would ask Roberto Deidda to shortly introduce yourself.
Hello, welcome. Thank you, Marco. So I am Roberto Deidda. I am professor in the University of Cagliari, and my interest in statistical hydrology, especially in extremes and multifractals, and in general, statistical hydrology. Thank you.
Thank you. Salvatore Grimaldi.
Here we are. I'm Salvatore Grimaldi, professor of hydrology in University of Tuscia, Viterbo. It's a small town near Rome. And my interest in statistical hydrology is strongly related to the copula function. I felt in love with the copula many years ago. There is still a good relationship with the copula function. Some of the people here maybe knows me for the short courses that we organized in the last years, many editions. And presently I'm vice president of the International Association of Hydrological Science, but I was the president of the STAI, the Statistical Hydrology Working Group, and that's it for now.
Thank you, Salvatore. Elena Volpi.
Thank you, Marco. So my name is Elena Volpi, and I work at the University of Roma 3, which is in Rome. And my main interest is in statistical hydrology in general. So extremes are part of my research activity, but not only. Everything, I can say, dealing with the stochastic phenomena, surface and subsurface phenomena in hydrology. And I'm involved in the commission on statistical hydrology of the International Association of Hydrological Sciences, as some of you already knows. And so I'm closely related with the world of statistical hydrology. Thank you, Marco.
Thank you, Elena. So now I'll call the names of the applicants. So it will be a subset of the attendees today. When I call your name, please turn on your microphone and your camera if possible, so we can see you and meet you somehow, and briefly state name, affiliation, and interest. And apologies for the mispronunciations that I will certainly commit of your names. I hope you will forgive me. So we start with Waja Abid.
Hello,
Hello.
everyone. My name is Ujabid. I am from Algeria. I'm here in Italy to prepare my thesis doctorate. I'm a PhD student from the University of Mascara in Algeria. I'm interested in hydrology and water resources and GIS applications of GIS in hydrology. Many thanks for you for this, for acceptation and for summer schools. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Javed Ali.
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Javed Ali, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Central Florida in US. And my research interests are multi-hazard risk and studying the social vulnerability and exposure and socio-hydrological modeling. Thank you.
Thank you. And then Farhan Aziz. Is Farhan here? Maybe he has had a problem connecting. Apparently. Let's move on to Maria Francesca Caruso. Maria Francesca. Okay. Arindam Chowdhury. Yes, we can see the picture. You should unmute yourself. Okay. Hello, we can't hear you. Arindam, for some reason, we see you're here, but we can't hear you. Well, maybe I'll move on, and then if you're able to connect, we can go back to you in a short while. Stefano Cipollini.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Stefano Cipollini, and I'm a first-year PhD student at the University of Roma 3 in civil engineering, and my tutor is Elena Volpi. And my interest in statistic hydrology is about the multivariate distribution for the design and the risk assessment of hydraulic structure, and in particular of the tension basin for flood mitigation. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Lidiane dos Santos Lima.
First of all, thanks so much for the opportunity. I'm Lidiane Lima. I'm from Brazil. I'm a oceanographer, PhD in ocean engineer. I developed research at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro and work as a hydrology at the State Center of Monitoring and Warning of Natural Disasters. So my interest is about hydrodynamic and hydrologic modeling. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Next, Ghazi Tafik Ezaz.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Ghazi Tawfiq Ezaz, a PhD student of College of Hydrology and Water Resource, Hohai University, China. I would like to thank you all for organizing this such a virtual workshop. It is really helpful, and I also would like to take this opportunity to thank Professor Grimaldi and Elena Volpi. I met them last year in Nanjing at our university. Thank you again, everyone.
Thank you. Stefano Farris.
Hello, everyone. I'm Stefano Farris. I'm a PhD student from University of Cagliari. My research topics are nowcasting model through radar data, and I'm also interested in precipitation trends, focusing particularly in extreme rainfall events.
Thank you. Next, Kathleen Johnson.
Hello. It's Caitlin Johnson. I am based at the University of KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Civil Engineering, and I also teach some hydrology. I'm currently working on my PhD, which is focusing on estimating extreme design rainfall events for the design of hydraulic structures, and also developing methods to account for non-stationary climate conditions in extreme design rainfall estimates in South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you. Humayun Kabir.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Humayun Kabir. I am working at Wegener Center for Climate and Global Change at the University of Graz in Austria. So my background in climate science and also in environmental science. Now I am doing my PhD and I am in my second year in PhD program. And my research interest is on short duration extreme precipitation. And I am also looking for how this extreme precipitation has impact on catchment hydrology and also flash flood and landslide due to this extreme precipitation. So thanks to everyone for organizing this webinar as a flavor of next summer school. I'll be happy.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thanks.
Next is Vijendra Kumar. Vijendra Kumar, if you're here. Yes, no? I don't see the name appearing. So we go on to Mustafa Onur Onen.
Hi everyone. Thank you very much for having this event organized. And my name is Mustafa Onur Onen, and I'm a PhD student at Middle East Technical University in Turkey, and at the Department of Civil Engineering. And my research interest is actually based on integrated basin modeling and management. Thank you.
Thank you. John Oyelakin. John, are you here? Seems not. So next is Santosh Palmate. Oh, we have Mustafa Onur Onen. We can't hear you. You're muted. You should unmute your mic. If not, we'll have to continue. We said Santosh Palmate is not here. Next, Antoine Peltier.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for the organization. I am Antoine Peltier. I am a PhD student at INRAE, which is the French Institute for Research in Environment and Agriculture. And I'm a second year PhD student, and I'm working on low flow forecasting using piezometric data. Thank you.
Thank you. Naveen, Raghu, Ramalingam. Naveen, are you here? If not, Valentin Tempembuela. Valentin. Sophie Ulrich. Is Sophie here? No, Sophie apparently not. Changran Zhao. Zhu, I should probably. And if not, Enrico Zorzetto.
Hello, everybody. Can you see me?
Yes.
I'm Enrico Zorzetto. I'm a PhD student at Duke University, and I study primarily hydrology, rainfall extremes, and boundary layer turbulence. And so it's very nice to meet you all today. And thank you again to the organizing committee.
Thank you, and thanks to everyone. Welcome to you, the applicants, and all the attendees. We'll now move on to the reason why we're here, to the lectures. The lectures will be introduced by members of the organizing committee. I would like just to say, if you have questions, please write your questions in the chat, in the group chat, so that we can keep track of who's asking the question first. We will then ask you to ask the questions orally. So at the end of the lecture, in the order they have been received, we will call your name, and you'll be asked to turn on your camera and ask the question directly to the speaker. But it's important to have a message in the chat so that we can organize the whole question and answer session. With that, I probably have forgotten something, but we might as well proceed. I will ask Roberto Deidda to step in and introduce the first speaker of the day.